All right, so I want to take just a few minutes here to walk you through the Ballistics and Spatter lab. This is due on January 23rd, as you can see. But the way you get to it is just clicking on 4.03 Ballistics and Spatter. And then you need to do two different things here. First, you're going to download the evidence pack, which is a document, and then also the laboratory instructions. So in order to get started, you might want to look at the evidence pack first. It's going to give you different pieces of information from a crime that happened at a prime minister's office. This looks a lot like our crime scene sketch that we did earlier in the year. And so it's just laid out just like that with your legend and the direction. You can see the victim in the middle of the room. So this is all the information that you're going to need. And a second crime scene sketch as well. Okay. There's a different perspective of the crime here. And then here we have the different types of blood spatter and the information about the blood. Okay, so all of this is vital information that you'll need for the next part of the lab. Also, we can see some ballistics information here, and the autopsy results are the final part. So lots of information about what happened during the crime. Then you're going to look at this next document, your lab instructions, and it tells you first to do the evidence pack, which thankfully we did already. We looked at it. Look at us. And then we're going to examine the blood spatter data and take some notes from that. And that's a lot of data. And then we're going to analyze our results here. So after this lab is done, what you'll do is come back to your OHS. If I can get it to load. And then you will do the discussion about the ballistics and spatter lab. It's very detailed here. It tells you to include in your response the step-by-step reconstruction of events, the details of each step in your reconstruction with evidence, and that would be the blood spatter and ballistic evidence, and the autopsy results. And then you're going to talk about any inconsistencies between your reconstruction and the official version of events. So it's really detailed, but don't let it overwhelm you. As long as you've done the evidence pack, the step-by-step instructions for the lab, and then answered the discussion, you will be good to go.